Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change video background in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and import your video to the timeline. Duplicate the video by pressing Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Now you should have two identical video layers. First, select the top video layer. Go to Remove BG in the menu. Then, click Auto Removal and CapCut will erase the background instantly. But remember, this feature requires CapCut Pro. Then after that, go to Media, then Library. Select a cool background and drag it between the two video layers in the timeline. Then adjust the size and duration to fit your video. And this is how it looks like. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.